Hey everyone, Mr.III here, and today we've got a beautiful day to test out the Snow Joe again. So this will be my second time with this replacement model, and from all the comments that you all wrote, you know, I've seen a lot of bad luck with this company and stuff, so hopefully it'll work and stay working, this replacement model. But right now on the ground we have about 4 inches and a layer of ice underneath, so we're gonna see how that all plays out. I will put you on the machine here and we can go for the ride together. And again, thanks for all the comments and telling your stories, you know, what happened and how long your machine lasted, which kind of sucks because, you know, we want a machine that works and does its job and stuff like that, and we shouldn't be worrying about the whole thing dying in a few seconds. And plus, if it's past warranty, it kind of sucks for us since we're quite a few hundred in. All right, so let's go blow some snow. Alrighty, so right now I'm just clipping the GoPro onto the handle here, and all for the best, right? And also, the other reason I chose this unit, again, is new. No, blue's my favorite color, and that's probably not the best way to choose items. Here goes nothing.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in, but it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Bootleg.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform
to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Alright, so as you can tell, the Snow Joe has finally died right now. So I'll put up how long it actually lasted somewhere on the screen here, and I'll do the calculations from the garage footage. So I can play a little of that right now as we wait. And yeah, I did lose a few minutes, about 15 minutes. I had to go help my neighbor across the street, which fell on black ice. So I had to take a little pause. So the battery did have a second to recuperate, I guess. But yeah, here's the unit right now. That's how it's looking. You know, let's go clean that out, thaw it out. But we're getting already snow coverage again, as you can see here. And I found out it's actually pretty difficult to snow blow between vehicles, and also the direction of wind. Here in Ohio, you know, you don't really have that much snow, but hey, in general, I never really used a snowblower, and this is my first one, so I did enjoy using it, to be honest. I do actually have footage of me testing this out last year just on the backyard, so I never uploaded it, but hey, I can upload this year, so I'll give you guys a little footnote and you can see the product working that way again if you want. But from the use and of it working, I did enjoy it, and it does throw pretty far, surprisingly. And it's a hit or miss, I guess, depending on which unit you buy. This is the one with 2 batteries in it, so it sucks that you can't actually run off just one and a weaker power and then you pop in the other, or you have a, you know, an option to choose the heavy load, or depending on your snow type. You know, light, you can just use 1 battery, but heavy snow, use 2 batteries, and that also extends the time. So there's a note for Snow Joe. They should probably incorporate that for other people, and to be honest, it'd be nice to have a more affordable battery instead of spending 90 bucks for, I think, this 1 battery. So hey, that's my I don't know if it's P's and Q's or how I want to end it here. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and if you have any other stories about your Snow Joe, leave it down in the comments. I'd like to read it, and if something, I'm writing actually to them about you guys' problems, and hopefully they can actually resolve, and they can do a recall for the ones past the warranty. So thanks again, you guys enjoy the snow.